Hey, my name is Rich Armstrong from TopTopKaboom.com. If you've taken one of my classes in the past, you'll know that I love animated GIFs, doodling, and stop motion animation. I'm also in love with Procreate and the idea of an iPad-only workflow. All that equates to this class, where I show you how to create a fun looping animation in Procreate, how to export it as a GIF, and then how to convert that GIF into a looping video all on your iPad. Being able to animate is fantastic and a super versatile skill to have in your tool belt, even if it's only animating a few frames in Procreate. With this new skill, you'll be able to create storyboards with the awesome Procreate toolset, breathe life and movement into your illustrations, and create fun animations to bring your work more attention and engagement. If you're new to the world of animation, do not fear. I break everything down and explain things in an approachable, Procreate-centric way. So in a nutshell, this class covers animation basics, Procreate animation preparation, creating sweet looping animations, animating existing artwork, exporting GIFs and videos all on your iPad, and a bunch of Procreate tips and tricks. If introducing movement and life into your work sounds like fun, follow this link and join the class for free.